When you need to replace a worn-out road, install a new parking lot, or overlay a driveway, Morgan Pavement is sure to provide the quality you are looking for. Our excavation professionals will create a solid foundation for your asphalt project, while considering drainage, compaction, and adequate road base. Morgan starts every pave with the highest quality materials to ensure the best asphalt surface. Fresh asphalt must be laid down according to a certain thickness to compensate for compaction. Once the asphalt is laid, raked, and rolled, you are left with a smooth, level surface, ready to take on traffic for years to come. Call Morgan Pavement today for a free estimate.